listening to the clock go ticking. I am waiting as the time goes by. I think of you with every breath I take. I need to feel your heartbeat next to mine. You're all I see in everything. I just wanna hold you. I just wanna kiss you. I just wanna love you all my life. I normally wouldn't say this, but I just can't contain it. I want you here forever, right here by my side. All the fears you feel inside and all the tears you've cried, they're ending right here. I'll heal your heart and soul. I'll keep you oh so close. Don't worry, I'll never let you go. You're all I need. You're everything. I just wanna hold you. I just wanna kiss you. I just wanna love you all my life. I normally wouldn't say this, but I just can't contain it. I want you here forever, right here by my side. No one else would ever do. I got a stubborn heart for you. Call me crazy, but it's true. I love you. I didn't think that it would be you who made it clear to me. You're all I need. I just wanna hold you. I just wanna kiss you. I just wanna love you all my life. I normally wouldn't say this, but I just can't contain it. I want you here forever, right here by my side.
October 2nd was the day an angel sent my way, and I can't deny she lifted me up higher than I've been before. I understand this simple truth: there ain't no me without you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And when I'm down, you're always there. A million ways to make this clear. Oh, I'm thankful every day. How good it feels to say, yeah, I'm nothing without you. Yeah, you made it possible, and because of this I know, yeah, I'm nothing without you. Yeah. 4 years ago, my life forever changed. The day you came into my life, it would never be the same. You gave me something to live for, 'cause I just couldn't go on no more. forget how much we've grown, and all of the time we weathered each storm. I will always remember, too perfect to forget you. My mind, every day, every day, every day. So now these words are just for you. An angel was made December 19th. I miss you, Mom.
Ay, sabay. Yun. Happy 2nd anniversary. Yan. Siyempre, masaya ako na umabot tayo sa ganito. At siyempre, malungkot din. Kasi, hindi tayo magkasama na ipagdiwang tong araw na to. Magkalayo tayo. Pero hindi naman natatapos sa isang araw tong celebration na to eh. Kumbaga kahit hindi natin special araw, anniversary, bawat araw gawin din natin special, di ba? Yun naman yung importante dun. Tsaka kahit na ganito nga magkalayo tayo, alam ko naman kakayanin natin dalawa to, di ba? Kahit nandyan yung mga pagtatalo natin, samaan ng loob, yung mga negative na naisip natin, huwag tayo magpapatalo doon. Lagi lang natin isipin na may magandang rason din naman to yung pinagdadaan natin ngayon. So ayun, sana maging happy ka, sana yun, kumbaga kung ano man yung pinagdaanan natin ng nakaraan o kanina lang, tapos na yun, ha? Importante, ayos na tayo. Mahal na mahal kita, be. Happy 2nd anniversary ulit. Sorry sa mga nagawa ko, sorry sa mga kasalanan na nagpaiyak sa'yo, nagpatulo ng luha mo. Naging madadag lang tayo. Pangako sa'yo, lahat ng mga sinabi ko sa'yo, tutuparin ko yun. Pangako yan, promise. Saka gusto ko lang malaman mo na mahal kita. Corny man sa iba, pero yun yung totoo. Kasi ito ako, nagmamahal ng tunay sa'yo. Yun, sana napasaya kita sa simpleng video na to, sa simpleng kaiklabuhan yan, kung ano ang drama yun sa ano. Hindi kasi yan lang yung nakikita kong paraan sa ngayon para maparamdam ko sa'yo yung love. Kasi nga mahirap ganito, diba? Naintindihan mo naman yung sitwasyon natin. Basta kaya natin ito, kaya yun lang. Love you so much. Happy 2nd anniversary ulit. Love you.
Dito ay umaga at dyan ay gabi. Ang oras natin ay magkasalungat. Aking hapunan ay iyong umagahan. Ngunit kahit na anong mangyari, dito ay umaga at dyan ay gabi. Ang oras natin ay magkasalungat. Aking hapunan ay iyong umagahan. Ngunit kahit na anong mangyari, balang araw ay magkakapit.